Alright, let's sketch the graph y is equal to 1/2 x minus 4 over 3 using the intercept method, right? So this is basically our slope-intercept method, or slope-intercept form of a linear equation, right? And because we know the b value, right, in this case b value here is negative 4 over 3, that b value represents our y-intercept, right? So our y-intercept here is already given, so we don't really have to calculate it. It's basically 0 and negative 4 over 3. Okay? So the only thing we really have to do here is find the x-intercept. So if I'm finding the x-intercept, we know that this is where the graph hits the x-axis and y is equal to 0. So I'm going to model that by letting y equals 0. So if I let y equals 0, 0 is equal to 1/2 x minus 4 over 3. Right? And I want to solve for my x-intercept. So I want to move the negative 4 over 3 to this side, to the other side, and you get 1/2 x is equal to positive 4 over 3. And I want to solve for x, so I need to get rid of the 1/2. So the way I can get rid of the 1/2 is multiply by 2, right? And whatever I do to one side, I'm going to repeat that to the other side. So 2 is basically 2 over 1, cancels out, you get 1x. X is equal to 8 over 3. Now 8 over 3 is approximately like 2.66, and it just kind of keeps going, right? We just want an approximation for this. It's likewise for negative 4 over 3. This is basically like negative 1.333, and just kind of keeps going from there. Once again, this is just a sketch, so we don't really have to be exact, right? We're just kind of ballparking the image. So I'm just going to kind of create like a set of gradients. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. You guys don't have to draw this to scale, right? Once again, it is a sketch. We just need the key points. Okay, so one of the first points that I'm going to look at here is the 0 and negative 4 over 3. So the negative 4 over 3 is going to be like negative 1.33. Let's say it's like right here, right? The other point here is the 8 over 3 and 0, because that's our x-intercept, right? And that's going to be like 2.67-ish. So that's going to be a little past the midpoint. And after we plot the intercepts, all we have to do is just connect the two, right? So if we connect the two, we basically get this, and that's basically our line.